In today's video, we're in Lisbon. Join us as we go on a Hippo Bus excursion, sail away close under the 25th April Bridge and have 2 mains for our dinner. Good morning from Lisbon in Portugal, where we have just arrived. And right ahead of us is a bridge that looks like it's come straight from San Francisco. Now, as we're docked in port, if we look to the right, you can see the hilly side of Lisbon. And it's a beautiful day. The sky is blue. I don't see a single cloud in the sky right now. The weather is warm. It feels like it's 17 or 18 already, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. And let's look out at Lisbon town. Now, I'm not one for relaxing generally. I'm always on the go. But if I was to relax anywhere, this is where it would be. Isn't it beautiful? This is why people love cruising. Pool deck is pretty quiet, as is normal on a port day. People doing their morning stretches here on the pool deck. It's a small group, but they're having fun. So we're back in the topsail lounge, and I want to tell you something that happened to me yesterday that was quite funny. Joyce, as you know, has bought me this wonderful red Ferrari jacket, which I love, and somebody came up to me. We've had a few people recognize us on the cruise so far, and I was so excited. And he said, "Excuse me, do you know where the table tennis bats are?" And my face went from to, I don't work here, I'm afraid. And he said, "Oh, I'm sorry, they told me someone with a red jacket would know where the table tennis bats were." These are the Hippo buses that we will be getting on board. Joyce has kindly let me sit by the window so I can film outside.
Yeah, it made sense that way.
I'm excited now. We may miss lunch, so at the end, you can expect to be quite a load of hungry hippos. The nice thing about this excursion being provided by MSC is we don't have to travel away from the port to get on the bus.
I know.
The bus came to us.
Which is good.
Other people have booked this independently and been told there's like a 20-minute journey to get to where the buses are. So I'm grateful that we don't have to do that, even if the cost was a little higher. And we're off.
What a great invention that is, eh?
Good morning, everyone.
Morning!
Oh my God, you are so happy.
Yay!
Hippo, hippo!
Hooray!
Welcome to Lisbon, guys.
This trip looks beautiful from this angle.
It does, eh?
In the middle of the square, you have the statue of our king at the time of the earthquake.
This is so much fun.
Yes, I'm loving it.
This is unbelievable. This is really beautiful. This is so wonderful. Oh no, not on your left. It's me.
Now on the ramp to get into the water.
Yes. Yay!
Captain Hugo.
Oh wow. That's cool. Yes, it was.
Hippo, hippo.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
We have the most important Portuguese navigator. It was the first lighthouse in Portugal and later a prison. Hippo, hippo.
Had an entertaining ride on the water. We're about to get back on land.
Big applause to Captain Hugo.
After our wild ride on the Hippo Bus, we waddled back on board the ship just in time for sail away from Lisbon. Now here's the fun bit. As we glided out of the port, we passed under the 25th April Bridge. From my prime spot at the very front of Deck 19, wind in my hair, camera in hand, it looked like we were playing a game of Don't Scrape the Bridge. Honestly, it felt like we cleared it by a millimetre. I held my breath. The ship didn't. And just like that, we cruised out toward the open sea. No scratches, no alarms, just great views and even greater relief. And we're back in the topsail restaurant for dinner. Tonight, there is a blackened Angus fillet steak on the menu and a fettuccine and porcini mushroom sauce. as I really fancy both items, I'm going to ask if I could have a small portion of the pasta along with my steak. Woohoo! We have the Sweet Anjou Rosé wine. I still prefer the Beringer White Zinfandel
Yeah.
or the Cuatro Soles in Mexico. Cheers!
Cheers.
Our starters have arrived. I have the pears and celery salad. That's a tongue twister if ever there was one. You've got the cider onion soup. How is it? You liked it? I didn't enjoy it last year on Virtuosa,
Did you know?
which is why I didn't order it this time. Over the lips, past the teeth, look out stomach.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. How are you enjoying your soup, darling?
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
I've just finished my salad and I'll tell you, it was so good I might just start singing Sweet Caroline. Joyce is happy, she's got her chicken and veggies. We have the pasta, please. And our lovely waiter is going to make it snow
Yay!
with parmesan. Ah,
perfect.
more please.
No,
That's fantastic.
Thank
you.
thank you. Thank you.
And the pièce de résistance, I have a blackened Angus fillet steak with cheese on top of that. That pasta is absolutely delicious. Really bloody good. MSC knows how to make the best pasta at sea. Hands down. Now I'm going to try my steak. So the steak is nice. It was a little overcooked. The waiter's going to bring me some peppercorn sauce to help soften it down a bit. So our steak and pasta and chicken were all beautiful today. Really, really good. Best meal we've had on any of our 3 MSC cruises, I'd say.
I want the soup. Soup was gorgeous.
But unfortunately, as always, this food has filled us up. I've no room for dessert right now, so we're going to skip it if we can. Joyce is feeling quite tired after our long day and is going back to bed to put her feet up.